My name is Mwangi Wa Muiruri.
Have you ever been a victim of a narcissistic abuse, or do you live with a narcissist? Is your brother or sister or your spouse a narcissist? Well, this video is for you. We are going to talk about a narcissist. Who is a narcissist? A narcissist is a person with narcissistic personality disorder. This is a mental condition where these individuals have high exaggerated sense of self-importance, they lack empathy and have a constant need for attention and praise from other people. They live in their own world of fantasies. Narcissists love power and sense of entitlement. They always want people to admire them. People with this disorder may lack the ability to understand or care about the feelings of others. Narcissists are known to be very jealous of others, but always say others are jealous of them. Narcissists lack empathy and rely on other people for narcissistic supply. They are always in a group of people. The inner value of a narcissist is empty, as they don't have feelings for others. They see other people as extension of themselves since they don't empathize. Other people exist just to meet narcissists' needs. Next video I will talk about how you can know someone is a narcissist. Stay tuned in.